Hi everyone, welcome back to Scrapbooks Made Easy with Beth. Today I'm going to be showing you a fun page using the full moon fun and the full moon stickers. So you can see there's borders and punches in these stickers, like all of them. And the paper, this has a haunted house. Of course, there's two of each one. Have your moon and your stars, just some fun orange stripes and stars on that. Pumpkin seeds with pumpkins. These are fun just to cut out and use as an embellishment, or you can use this on a border for your page, and of course there's two of those. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is use the circle punch. And I've already cut some of the circles out to save time. But what I do when I'm using the circle punch and I want to get a lot out, I actually use it upside down. And that way you're not wasting paper. So you're going to go right to the edge and cut, right to the edge and cut. So you can see where you can save paper by doing that, because you can see exactly where you're cutting. We will start with a black base, just because I think it looks really good with the Halloween paper. And we also want to cut two very thin, they're 1/4 of an inch by 12 strips. And what I did for that is I took the ones that I had already cut out. Let me grab that one that I just did. And I put it right at the end, right here, of the gray strip, and cut that down. So it was a super easy cut. And we're gonna just put these on the ends here. And then take our circles, and whichever one you like the best, we're just gonna start putting them down the page, every other one. Trying to spread out my colors a little bit. So you can put some greens in. I'd rather have that one on that page since it's the background there. And you can mix and match. There's obviously lots to choose from if you just keep cutting more circles. Then what you want to do is take whatever you want to use for your base, and I want to use this one here. So we are going to cut this 8 by 10. In order to do that, I need to pull out the arm. I am going to go to the 8 and the 10. I'll have a little bit of a strip left over that I could have used to cut out more circles, which is great if you want to make a double page spread. That's going to go there. Then you're going to decide which one of these stickers you want to go along the top and the bottom. And I think the web would go perfect. So I'm just going to cut those right there and put the web along the top. And then the other web along the bottom. I'm putting the side that I cut on the paper. Oh, I might need to cut that a little bit shorter to make it nice and flat. Yep, I'm gonna cut just a little bit more off of that. So I want you to be able to see it. Let's start with 3/4 of an inch. Yeah, that looks better. I wanna be able to see some black on the top and the bottom. And then I am going to make a couple of mats. You could bring this all the way over if you want to. I think I'm going to use this since I've already cut it, and I'm going to cut it at 4.5. I found myself using a lot of 4x4 photos, so I make my mats 4.5 by 4.5, and then I can use the 4x4 photos. So 2 mats that are 4.5 by 4.5. Oh, I might do that. You could still put some photos there, but then you could also add some stickers. So if you want to do trick or treat, or this would actually be a fun place to use one of these. So maybe I want to use this right here and put in a little journal box. That's where the little white line on your trimmer comes in handy, because you see exactly where you're cutting. So I can line it up with the little arrow, line up the white with the line there, and now I've perfectly cut that out. So that would be fun to use as a little journal box. Well, maybe it's too big unless I move it over here. Yeah, and then you still could decorate with stickers on that side. Easy page. With Halloween coming up, you can put pictures of your little trick-or-treaters on there. Have a great day, everyone.